At Songbird Studios, I offer private vocal instruction. So for those individuals in the community who are interested in learning more about singing, in becoming better singers, and overall musicians. I was crowned Miss America 2002. That rolled into further education in music, a larger career than I anticipated in music. In a small community, we often overlook that there are so many varied backgrounds among its populace. But when you really delve deep into the community and its businesses and the backgrounds of those people who run the businesses, you start to see this very intricate fabric, the interweavings of what the community is made from, of people who are committed to offering exceptional services in a small town. I love doing this, and I love the opportunity to be here in Klamath County and to teach it at Songbird Studio.